Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today we are going to be doing some junk journaling. Well, we're going to be making a page for our junk journal that will be a really cool page to have, and it will have 3 tags and a couple pockets. So let's get to it. I am working on my travel themed junk journals right now that will be up in my Etsy shop. So I have this old map. It's a map from the National Geographic from 1975. I have 3 shipping tags here, and then I just pulled in a couple pieces of paper that are going to be in one of my signatures, just to show you what it looks like when it's folded up in other pieces of paper. I have some sari silk ribbon here, and then I have some Tim Holtz Expedition ephemera pack, just so I have some other tags to stick in. I will put links for everything here that I can. I know I bought these on Amazon, and as well as this and the sari silk ribbon. So anyway, what we need to do is I'm going to cut 2 sections of this. Pretty much the section is about as tall as I want it for my junk journal signature. So I'm going to, let's see, I think I'm going to cut these 2 pieces here. This is a double-sided map, so that works really well. That'll look nice on both sides. And I really like the little dark aging of the map. So I'm just going to cut right down where it already has the fold. And I'm just going to cut 2 sections out here. Alright. So I have this part. I'm going to trim a little bit off here on the side so I didn't get it clipped as nice as I want it to. There we go. Alright, so I think since it's already folded this way, and so what I'm going to do is, let me pull out here a little bit. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to take the bottom and I'm just going to fold it up like this till it meets the center of the fold there. And then I'm going to fold it up like that, just so it has a nice little edge for the pocket and makes this a little bit sturdier. That's the only reason I'm doing that. And then I'm going to fold this in half. So now this is what's going to be inserted into my signature. So let's say it goes in here. It'll be like that. And I may even trim, I think, a little bit off the top here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go right to that line. Like that. So that's, but before I do that, I'm going to cut a 3rd section of my map. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this section here. And I'm going to cut the top off again so it's equal size as the other one. And I'm going to go ahead and fold this in half as well. And I like this side better, I think, because it has more green, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it and fold it this way. Now this, I'm going to put, here's my pocket, I'm going to put this on the other side, like this. It adds more stability to this because the matte paper is kind of thin, but I want to make a pocket here so that I can sew my tags in. Now, I'm going to add this paper in here just to see how far the tag will come out. I think, so I want it to line up with the edge of my signature. So about right here. So I'm going to slip in all 3 tags. Just like that. And I may even go in, excuse me, I may even go in and add 3 tags on this side as well. So now what I want to do is go to my sewing machine and I'm going to sew a stitch right down the side there. So that gives us this pocket here as well as the little flaps of the tags, and I think it just makes it a really cool page where it's not a full page, it's like a tag page, but then you also have your built-in pocket. So what I'm going to do, I pulled in some paper clips here and I'm just going to hold this together so I can take it over to my sewing machine. Make sure I have it lined up. First I'm gonna paper clip this together. Here and like that, and I'll put one down at the bottom too. So now stick these back in. To about there. Go ahead and slide a paper clip to hold that one. And I'm going to go ahead and pull these strings. You can leave these strings in, but I'm going to be putting some silk ribbon, some sari silk ribbon in the spots. So I'm going to go over to my sewing machine. I'm actually going to sew across here to hold that together, and then sew down here, across here, and then I'm going to go ahead and get 3 more tags and put them in there and sew them. So, and I'll be right back to show you. So I stitched it all the way around with the zigzag. Now I want to take some Distress ink. This is just a walnut stain. No, Vintage Photo. I'm just going to go over the edges of my tags here. I cut 6 pieces at about 6 inches long, 5 to 6 inches long of my sari silk ribbon, and I'm just going to fold it in half, pull it through, and then put the 2 ends through the loop there. This is the first time I have ordered this sari silk ribbon. It's kind of cool. I got the undyed so that I could dye it whatever color I wanted to dye using my Distress inks, or like I could tea dye it to make it even darker, or maybe use food coloring to do a certain color. There we go. So this is finished, and I pulled out a couple of my tags from my ephemera pack from the Tim Holtz, and that they fit right in there real nice. These are ready to add journaling or pictures on both sides. So this makes for a fun junk journal page. Fit it in like that. I just think that is so cool, and then it adds more texture to the outside of your book with the ribbon on the sides like that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Come back again and I'll have some more junk journaling videos, and as well as Bible journaling, planner videos, DIYs, whatever. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.